And several items were seized at the home of Professor Pinnock. Here's TVJ's Kirk Wright with that angle of the story.
Before daybreak, Mocha operatives swooped down on Professor Pinnock's Hellshire home in St. Catherine. The police took several items from his home, some of which appeared to be cellular phones and other electronic gadgets. The police were observed recording aspects of their operation. On several occasions, Professor Pinnock was seen moving in and out his house. During one of the exchanges outside the house, the police had him sign a document. But minutes before he was taken away in an unmarked vehicle, the professor was seen kissing relatives goodbye. In Kingston, at Mocha headquarters at the NCB Towers, he was escorted into the building, surrounded by police, but without handcuffs. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.